What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. I think I have a good concept coin for you guys. This seems very, very interesting to me, and honestly, I haven't invested into it yet. By the time you see this video, I may already have a little bit of an investment into it because I feel as though the concept makes sense. However, it's not something that is, maybe the most sound process right now, but it makes a ton of sense, right? So I'm going to talk about what this is. I came across a lot of meme coins in my time of covering cryptocurrency. And these meme coins can come in the form of just having a meme on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or whatever, and being able to apply that to a cryptocurrency. But then you also have cryptocurrencies that are meme coins because they're trying to compete with other meme coins. However, you never really have a meme coin that's really trying to compete with a company in a way. And this is where Reddit coin comes into play. RDDT. RDDT on the stock market is Reddit. RDDT in the crypto market is also Reddit. So now the competition becomes, will it find a way to be valued more than the actual Reddit company? Which then, brings our minds to, is crypto more valuable than the stock market? And in reality, it should be. It's a currency. We're using it to buy the products and transact with all different things rather than just selling a product in a way. But when it comes to this, it's really just a meme fan token. So it's very, very interesting to see the concept and see it all built together, but we're going to take you through this entire thing in this video. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. You can also check out the link for Reddit coin in the description. I'll add all of the links down there. But honestly, you think about it, and it's a concept we haven't seen. We've seen meme coins. We've seen meme coins in competition with other meme coins, but we really haven't seen, with the exception maybe of GME, in competition with other, with companies, with their own company that could, be a fan token there. So it's interesting. But if we wanted to look at the website right now, the website for Reddit coin, Reddit meme fan token, you see RDDT. You can check out the DEX tools or the Telegram there. But RDDT is a meme fan token, not an official Reddit token. Has no connection or association to Reddit. Obviously, you're going to want to state that because it's something completely different. And I'm sure that with people deciding to do this, it could take away from, the hype that you could see, or the popularity and the customers that are with Reddit. However, it could also bring a new entire fan base to Reddit to kind of own both, to see that competition, which would be a good thing, right? We are here to flip RDDT, right? To entertain, to amaze. You have 8 integrations, 2,200 Telegram, 2,500 X followers, 1,150 holders within their audited contract as well. RDDT, or Reddit token, is a cryptocurrency on Ethereum primed for Reddit IPO storm. Zero tax, strong security, and burnt liquidity fuel its potential 1,000x growth. Join the movement for RDDT.io to be a part of Reddit IPO battle. You could see here you have a tweet from Elon Musk back from 2018. It says, "Will do, love Reddit," right? They're replying to somebody that's there. But, you always have that tied to Elon Musk in a way in order to create a very, very popular meme coin. Reddit Inc. has disclosed Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, investments in its IPO filing with the SEC. A social media company founded in 2005 by technology entrepreneurs Alexis and Steve Huffman have raised about 1.3 billion in funds and has posted valuation of $10 billion, according to deal tracking service PitchBook. You're going to see here you have the flippening, you have the match, right? The flippening match where it's the stock, Reddit stock versus crypto, the crypto coin, ERC20 token, all the partners that are associated with it, decentralized, different news that's there. So you have Coinpedia news, you have Binance Square, Yahoo Finance, all of that there. Now, if we go into Reddit, which I believe I can go to my Weeble account, you can see Reddit's valuation, where it currently stands at a market cap, is $8 billion. And can it get to $8 billion? It's not really a ridiculous thing to say that a meme coin can get to $8 billion. You see Shiba Inu, you see what's happening with Pepe and how far it's going. You see what's happening with Dogecoin. And honestly, you could possibly see that depending on how strong the actual competition is, depending on how strong this actual push is for this position. But if we go over to CoinMarketCap and we look at the overall movement in the last day, it is down 49%. So giving you maybe a little bit of an opportunity to purchase into that position, being from, I guess, a $10 billion, market cap, all the way, to about a $4 or $8 billion market cap, all the way down to, $8 million market cap, all the way down to a $4 million market cap. Seeing $1.1 million worth of volume, almost 1.2, which is a 27% volume to market cap ratio. They do have 100% of the supply that is out there, so that's definitely great to see. If we look at over the last 7 days, it's down 42%. The last month, which really you don't have too much history, right? Because it just released on CoinMarketCap on the 20th. So looking at the last month, you're really only looking at 2 days, and it has decreased by 42%, maybe giving you an opportunity to purchase into that position at some of these low levels, and maybe while it doesn't have as much hype to it. So it's definitely something that's very interesting to me. Right now, it's only available on Uniswap, so it doesn't really have the different exchanges available for it, but I'm sure you're going to see those different connections that are made as time does go on, because they are spending money on marketing. They are looking to flip the actual stock, and it would be great to be able to see that. So where it currently stands, again, $4.2 million market cap, $1 million worth of volume as it's going through on really just Uniswap, which is telling, right? It's a tell sign of exactly how popular it could be, as long as they do have, a not full connection, but they do have that consistent connection in a way to the competition with the Reddit stock. If you look at their Twitter account, again, they have about 3,000 followers on Twitter. If you want to go and follow them, I'll provide that link down below. But more importantly, looking into their token sniffer. Token sniffer shows that they are 100 out of 100. You're looking at no tax, no buy tax, no sell tax. The token is sellable. You have ownership is renounced. The creator does not have special permissions. You have adequate liquidity. You have an adequate initial liquidity. Then you have 100%. Burned with at least 95% of liquidity burned and locked for at least 15 days. Overall, creator wallet contains less than 5%. So honestly, it looks great, right? 100 out of 100. This isn't a full tell sign on whether it's, fully legit, but it is like 90% of the way there, right? When you see something like this, as well as seeing audits and stuff like that. Now, I did want to, maybe just go into the contract a little bit to see that information there. You do have 1,343 holders within it, at which, you have no real crazy holders here. You have 1% for people that are, I guess, purchasing it early, trying to buy as many as they can, holding like 10 million or some, 10 million, 20 million, less than that, 5 million. We'll see how this does play out. Right now, it's sitting at 43% of a penny, meaning that if you wanted to buy $1 million, it would be about $4,000. If you wanted to hold a certain amount, you wanted to hold 10 million, it would be about $40,000. So it's not a light amount in order to hold 10 million or $1 million of it, but it could play out well in the end for something that really does have or could have a massive future, right? If you have let's say it gets to flipping Reddit and you have 1 million coins. You having 1 million coins and it finally flipping Reddit means that it gets to an $8 or $9 billion market cap. And with this circulating supply of 1 billion, you're looking at about a $9 or $10 price, let's say. If it gets up to a $10 price or a $10 billion market cap, that's what you're looking at. So honestly, it could be massive. It could be big. And I want to see what different types of steps they make with, being available in these type of markets. And, whether you're available on Coinbase or Kraken or KuCoin or something like that. But honestly, the concept is very, very interesting. And I think you guys need to maybe open your eyes a little bit to see what this is all about. But honestly, it is a meme coin. So whether you're into it for utility or for memes or for just whatever, we're all into it for the gains and to eventually have that message, right, to flip a stock and be more valuable than that actual company, showing that cryptocurrency is more valuable than the stock market. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.